Day 2.
Day 2 or stay tuned?
Both.
Yeah. I'm so tired.
Day 2.
Like physically drained. It's day 2. Stay tuned. This morning I went on Google and I tried to find the information for the house. So I signed up for this address information recovery program, which of course I didn't realize was a scam that was like $720 to find out the history. But it took 5 minutes to generate. So I was really excited. I was like, oh, I'm gonna really find something out.
There's something
Okay.
underneath it too. It's dead. It's dead. It's dead.
It's vintage spider. The Owens from 63 to 93. I think maybe they lived here from 63 to 93. Look, I found a packet that tells us.
Oh, I've been looking for that.
It was just right here.
Come on, use your eyes.
No, this is very important what we're doing.
I know, but it's also.
Oh, wait, no. That was fairly fearless, though. I don't know what I was expecting, but something fun about like the actual history.
A bunch of
Yeah.
dollhouse stuff.
Oh.
Shout out to the donate pile. The what?
Wait, hold on.
Wait, we need to look at that.
We don't have time for these nostalgic trips.
No, just put it right here. This might not be the best. I mean, that's a great fire. It looks like our fireplace, Brian. Brian's doing this thing where he's like, where does this go? I think I might need to give him a talk. Like, take him inside and like, sit him down and be like, here's how this is gonna go. Like who won best attitude? I won this every single year. Always best attitude. Never. She's good at sports.
Oh, okay.
We put this on the front porch for Halloween. Obviously. Basically, this hutch is in 3 pieces and it's extremely heavy. It was in the original farmhouse that we lived in, so when we renovated, we salvaged it. Like, I don't know if we're ever gonna use it, but I think somebody in town will actually use them and appreciate them. Mm-hmm. Okay, so here's what's going on today. We are tackling what we've been avoiding for years. This is a room in the back of our carriage house that, I mean, we just call it the spider room because it has so many spiders, and I should get some socks on.
You really should.
Yeah. Everything in here, it's mostly Christmas and rugs.
God, I hope there's no spiders on this thing.
Spider sighting?
Yeah, I just have
Yeah, we
one on
should
my leg.
maybe even gloves.
But yeah, I'm gonna go get socks and gloves. Do we need, I mean, at one point, Brian, we did buy those like hazmat onesies. Okay, so this is all gonna go. It's all gonna go in the side of the garage. So that's more like Henderson stuff, not prop studio stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I will take those. It's more like our family storage, essentially. But I mean, oh my gosh, I have so much Christmas. It's like, but I really like Christmas, and I use it. But perhaps we could consolidate it a little bit more. Don't you talk about Mike? You love Christmas.
I do.
No one loves to store Christmas. I can give you a gift today, Brian. I'll finally give away the dollhouse.
Oh, great.
Wow, that's very generous.
It's very generous of me. It'll be your Father's Day present. I think I'm fine without socks.
Famous last words.
Alright. I wouldn't if I were you.
Okay, I'm gonna go get socks on.
I think there's honestly a pair or two floating around
Oh, I'm
somewhere.
sure there's some socks just like right here.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna move the big shelving units in here to start populating it with Christmas and like all things Henderson. This one's not gonna look nearly as good as our prop studio garage. It's a rad garage too. Like I love how my brother and Nick, like, they fully finished it out, and I don't know if you have to show them the befores because it's wild.
Are we gonna take the time to go through all the boxes and consolidate those?
No, they're consolidated.
Okay.
Do you want to pare any stuff down today? Like, is part of the Christmas game trying to get rid of some of it, or?
What
No,
is the problem here?
I'm just asking.
With my
Because
Christmas.
it'd be
We
fabulous.
have a ton. That I don't know that we use it all.
This green one is empty. She should be pretty proud of me for that. I don't know. This is looking like a normal amount of Christmas, by the way. Right on. that's a bunch of more greenery.
Okay. Look at that. The ornaments.
Is this Christmas? Because this is not in a Christmas box.
Yeah, that's pretty
I prefer it. I'm gonna put it in this green box so I know that it's Christmas. Okay, these are winter ski.
That says Halloween.
Okay, are you rolling? Okay, so this is, what have we been calling this? This is like the shed. Yeah, paint shed. It's essentially the last room we need to unload, and it is full of, I don't know, vintage firewood. A lot of, some pots that are good that we needed to organize, and then just like all the leftover scraps. So we're gonna start unloading it and see what we find.
Oh, it's a tiller.
Oh, it's a tiller.
Okay.
So like, what's this? Is it a treasure box?
Oh God.
No, it's just empty. I don't know. I feel like someone could use it.
A broken stone.
So this is what we did before the internet and before Pinterest, is I would take photos of things in the wild or in magazines, print them out, and create a collage. Any card that you guys would ever give me, I would keep. Like, it's a real, yeah, I'll keep this shit, yeah. Yeah, it makes me feel good, yeah. Yeah, they liked me, okay? I swear to God, they liked me.
Is this important to you?
Oh, there she is. Design star! I applied for a job at Martha Stewart, and I didn't have a portfolio, so I put together this vintage book. This is a piece of furniture I made. This was it's just like a collage of things that I thought were cool that I glued in, like a scrapbook of my ideas. I didn't get the job. We're realizing that we need to have even more systems than just this, which is fine and good. I really think it's probably 2 more days and then we'll be dialed in, I think. Brian's garage. This is not Brian's garage, by the way, but this is Christmas, which that is not an abnormal amount of Christmas, by the way. It is more than usual, but I think it doesn't seem like it's less than we thought it was going to be. Christmas, we've got some of our large rugs that we're still hoarding for the right projects. Clearly a bunch of vintage furniture that I love. And then our life stuff was really reduced. Turns out, I think it's me, I'm the problem. It's me. Like, we don't actually have that much Henderson life stuff, but this is all of our camping, outdoor, all that good stuff. A lot of memorabilia, because I love memorabilia. But we have a ton of space in here. Okay, so then in here, you can really see it now. It's not clean, it's obviously cluttered and whatnot. But you can get a sense of the space, which is great, and it's just so much less daunting. It was just full of so much stuff we couldn't even, really see anything. And this is the spider room, which, we still need to deal with.
So what is phase 2? What do we have to do next?
Okay, vacuum and clean it all out. I need to get an inspector to come out and tell us what's wrong with it. And then we're gonna give you guys a tour. So keep coming back. You gotta keep coming back. You can like and subscribe if you want. And thanks for watching. Bye guys. But oh my gosh, I have so much Christmas. It's like,